So a lot of guys commented about that really bad swing. And what we're talking about through All Systems Golf is this idea of what root cause is. So where is the first place where things start to get out of order, which then cause all these different things. So a lot of you noticed those different things like the shaft was getting steep, the face was open, you're leaning towards your toes, you're standing up. All of those things are correct, but they're not root causes. So what we wanted to understand in that video, and it was not that easy to spot, it was a difficult question, but when you sit back in your heels, just like if I was sitting back in my butt right here, I was sitting in a chair, as I turn, it's difficult to turn in your heels. So what ends up happening is you start to actually early extend or move your pelvis towards the golf ball. So that was number one. Number two, as a result of that, with this right arm turned, what we would call as internal rotation, you can just imagine taking your shoulder joint with your thumb up and pointing it down and to the left. And that tightness in that shoulder comes from the grip being way on top, specifically in this upper arm. And then it's that combination that starts to get the club to work flat, outside, face open, which then causes those dominoes to get steep in transition, early extend, and ultimately miss the golf ball. So not an easy question at all. Appreciate you guys commenting. We'll do this again.